In today's video, I'll show you how to enter your 1099 miscellaneous form from the California Franchise Tax Board into Turbotax for 2022. Start by visiting the official Turbotax website and signing in, or creating an account if you're new. Once logged in, go to the 2024 Taxes section and select Federal, since your 1999 MISC pertains to federal income. Next, navigate to Wages and Income, then scroll to Other Common Income and click on Form 1099 Miscellaneous. Click Start, and Turbotax will guide you through entering all your income details step by step. Make sure each field matches your 1099 exactly, and use Turbotax's tips if you're unsure about any entries. After entering and double-checking your information, you can continue with the rest of your tax filing. And that's it. Your 1099 MIST is now successfully entered into